Story for you.
Yep.
Mate of mine has got a small operational garage. He went to a well-known DIY shop, got a 70, 80 quid one, light grey, looks all cool. Within a year, in fact about 8 months into it, it was flaking, it was peeling, and he's had to shut the whole place down for pretty much a week, take it all, because it just looked shoddy for the customers. Had to start again. Resincoat, is it going to do the same?
No, we're very confident about our product. It's a very high quality finish that doesn't flake like some of the cheaper alternatives.
Right.
We hear this nightmare story a lot where people come to us and they say, you know, I've had this system where it's
like
all
my
just,
mate.
Yeah, exactly, where it's all flaked up, and you know, we're confident in that our product isn't of the same caliber. It's a lot higher caliber.
He had this situation where cars would come in off the road and actually like peel the paint up from his workshop floor with the tyres, like lifting it off.
Yeah, well, that's a phenomenon we call in the industry hot tyre pickup.
What, is that a thing?
That is a thing, yeah. So it's very common where you've got hot tyres running over the surface of the coating, and it just heats it up and it lifts it off. So, but again, our performance coating is resistant to all of that.
It just made him realise it's better to invest in something like a resin coat and do it once.
Do it once. It's, you know, make sure that the product that you put down is highly durable and it can last through these strenuous times where you do have heavy forklift trucks, all sorts of chemical resistance and things like that required.
So who uses it?
So we've got our products in places like the RAF, in military, manufacturing units, Audi, Aldi.
Well, Audi manufacturing cars and Aldi manufacturing, whatever, the supermarket.
Yeah, distributing food. So, you know, all these manufacturing, industrial units, we've got our stuff.
You mentioned one name there, the RAF.
Yeah.
Sure as hell, if it's good enough for them, it's good enough for me.
Indeed it is, yeah.